Okay, so the plate has been modified. My holes have been drilled. My channel casting's been flat filed on both sides. So we're going to go ahead and put our check balls in. According to our thing, this is going to be plastic ball and this is going to be a metal ball. And then we're going to go ahead and put a separator plate back on with our filter. And we'll wash these retaining screws up. Okay, we're going to set this on here and get these started. Okay, we want to make sure our plate is exactly aligned, exactly like it's supposed to be. I like to run some deals down so I can do that. Okay, that part is done with Howard's Total Vise. We tore down the valve body. Now I'm going to reassemble everything, make my modifications using Howard's Total Vise. Okay?